Well, hello Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Today we're doing something a little bit different where we want to compare two of our subscription boxes. Alright, so the two that we're going to compare today are Walt Life and Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. Now, if you've watched the videos, we've already unboxed both of these, and so you can always go back and look, but we want to compare the items kind of side by side because both of these boxes are $49. This is the Bibbidi Bobbidi Wishes, Bibbidi Bobbidi Wishes, and this is just Walt Life $49 box, which I think is
it's supposed to be like Walt Life Plus or something
like that. Now we have another Walt Life coming, unfortunately, and we're gonna go more into detail there. But you know, one of the things, no matter what subscriptions that you get, the first thing is make sure you read the contracts, and I'm just going to show you why. So this was our Walt Life box. If you remember in the video, we got this cup, which honestly, at first glance, when I saw this cup in the box, I really liked it.
Yeah.
It was simple. It was kind of retro. I liked it.
I thought it was a Disney Cruise Line mug.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's a Jerry Lee.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, a lot of people have the Jerry Lee mugs. Some of them are very cute. This one was cute except for
that.
It's broken.
Yeah. Now, the reason why it was broken is because of how it was packaged. It was sent with this, which is another ceramic, Jerry Lee, and they basically were riding on each other inside the box. Now, when we got this box, just take a look at this box first of all.
It's scrunched up.
It's scrunched up. It's very flimsy, all right? And it was inside another box, but there wasn't a lot of packaging inside. This is basically the way it came right here. I think there might have been a little bubble wrap around something maybe.
It wasn't bubble wrap.
No.
It was just a piece of plastic like sleeving. So yeah.
And so everything was kind of just banging around in there.
Yeah, I'm surprised it's not in pieces.
Yeah, right.
But
so
we have the Jerry Lee mug.
We have the Jerry Lee mug and the spoon. Both of these, if they were not cracked, I actually, as we were preparing for this, I found where the mug had been riding on the spoon because it's chipped and a little crack there. So basically, these are worth nothing.
Yeah.
And when we contacted Walt Life, it's the reason why we're getting another box. Come back and check out that video. Yeah. So basically, these are $10 a piece, but they're not. Well,
they would be if they weren't cracked or broken. Yeah. They would be worth $10 each.
I mean, these are basically going in the garbage. We have a set of scrunchies.
And they're cute.
They're very cute. Neon Tuesday.
Neon Tuesday, which Hot Topic sells. Yeah. So they're cute, but they're $4.50.
$4.50. We have a bag.
It's a passport bag.
It's a Jerry Lee. Again, it's got some cute Mickeys on it.
I mean, it's a cute bag.
But this one is about $10.50.
Yeah.
And then, if you want snacks in your box, go to Main Street. Main Street Treats.
Yeah, they have amazing snacks.
Amazing snacks. But we did get a pack of Frozen 2 gummies, which were what?
$5.12.
$5.12.
So
for a grand total of $40.12.
How much did we pay for that box?
This would be a $49 Walt Life box. Okay? Yeah. So basically, I paid $49 for $40 worth of stuff.
$20 of which is garbage. So
Yeah, $20, throw it out the window. So basically, I got $20.12 of stuff for $49.
Yeah.
And
Sad.
And when we contacted them,
Uh,
read your contract.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't a pretty.
Yeah.
It's not what we expected to hear back, but we'll see what happens when we get our next box that we didn't want, but we're getting anyway. And we'll explain that in our video.
Yeah.
So here is our Bibbidi Bobbidi box.
Garbage.
This is also a $49 box. So
$49 box. Now,
look at that
before
box.
we even open this, I just want you to see the construction of the box. Okay? And, you know, it's got cute little emblems on there. Disney. It's well constructed.
Yeah.
This gets shipped just like this, wrapped in plastic.
I don't think we've ever gotten a damaged
No, I don't
box.
think. I think we've gotten another subscription with a little dent in the box, but I mean, it still everything was packaged inside well. So when I open this box up, now here's the thing, Walt Life, you can't do any kind of preferences.
No.
Right? It's kind of just like, do you want this age group, boy or girl?
Yeah. Or
Pretty
neutral.
much. Bibbidi Bobbidi, you have all sorts of preferences. They have wish lists, all sorts of things that you can put together. So that definitely works in his favor.
Yeah.
If you haven't figured out yet in this video, we're not really pushing the Walt Life. But I want to show you why. All right, so we already talked about the box being well constructed. Comes, you know, waterproof. You know, it's not going to be damaged in transit. You know, the auto coolant. I said it.
Sticker.
Holographic sticker.
It's cute.
It's cute. Not a big deal.
It's like
you
a
know,
little extra they throw in.
$3.50.
Yeah. $3.
Our preference on these boxes is more quality over quantity. So they kind of throw the sticker in there as just another piece, but that doesn't
It's
really
cute.
matter.
No.
All right. But we did get some jewelry. Okay, Lillian and Company. Nice piece of jewelry. This piece of jewelry retails at
$32.
$32.
It's a bracelet.
I love you 3,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So $32 bracelet.
So
okay.
a $32 bracelet.
And remember, we paid $49 for this box, and
$49.
we've got a $32 bracelet. Okay.
Now this bracelet isn't broken, so
not.
I'm already $12 ahead just in this one thing. That's not to mention the sticker that I'm gonna stick
Which
somewhere.
they valued at $3.50. So.
Okay, so $35.
So we're at $35.
So I'm at $35 in this box. Paid $49. I'm already $15 ahead
What do you mean ahead?
of Walt Life.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we threw $20 away in
Right.
Walt Life, and so we
Got
were
it.
up. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay. All right.
And the last item.
And the last item, which is also packaged, and you know, here's a mug inside the original box, inside a box
Safe in there.
with all the confetti, right? And you open it up. Lo and behold, this mug is not chipped. Not chipped. It's in good shape. I love this mug. Now, I love the other mug from Walt Life, but I can't use it.
No.
So this one I'm really excited about.
$21.99.
This is $21.99. So all together in the Bibbidi Bobbidi box,
$57.49.
$57.49, and we have all $57.49 worth of stuff,
Right.
which gives you a total of about what, $8, $7.50.
More value than
More
we paid.
value than we paid. Bibbidi Bobbidi, more value. Walt Life,
Less value.
not so much.
That's funny that the Bibbidi Bobbidi is about $8 more than we paid, and Walt Life is about $8 less than we paid.
Yeah.
Well, $28 with the
Yeah,
broken
$28.
stuff.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so as a comparison, if I was going to restart all of this, and at the very beginning, or you know, you're looking for a box to give somebody, Bibbidi Bobbidi would be a great subscription box to start with, and
You can
we've
gift
really
them, too.
enjoyed it. Oh yeah, you can gift them,
You can
can't
gift
you?
them, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is our comparison of Walt Life versus Bibbidi Bobbidi, and you know, on a scale of 1 to 10, Walt Life.
3.
Okay, I was gonna say 2, but
okay.
I mean 3. Some of the stuff is cute, and we have.
Well, it's so up and down.
It's so inconsistent.
Sometimes we get a box that has some cool stuff in it.
Yeah.
Other times it's kind of like they picked it off of Hollywood Boulevard at one of the little people stands there.
Yeah, or in the trash.
Or they just right.
So, Bibbidi Bobbidi, scale of 1 to 10.
I'm gonna go with an 8.
Mia, I was gonna say 8 too.
Yeah. I like an 8 because
there's always room for improvement.
There's definitely room for improvement. I love I mean, I don't ever really get to pick the preferences. This box just happened to work out in my favor. But I like that you can choose the preferences. I love the box. I mean, these boxes are going to be really cool for later on.
When we can reuse them for Christmas and birthdays, and I mean. Yep. They're great boxes.
I would give them a 9. I mean, I don't know that I've found a box yet that I'm like, this is a 10. But I would give them a 9. But the only thing, I don't know.
What? Spit it out.
I don't know why I wouldn't give them a 9.
Because you wanted the red Marvel cut.
I'm gonna give box. I guess you know, an 8 because. Even though we put our preferences in, I guess I'm not always super uber excited about all the products that we get. Like, you know, this is
which would be impossible for a company to do.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
Second or third bracelet that we've gotten.
So what I need to do then is go on to preferences and uncheck the bracelet box because...
Maybe it's an 8 because she's not checking the right boxes.
I'm not checking the right boxes.
Yeah. So make sure you check your contract and check the right boxes.
There you go.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Well, I hope this helped you out a little bit. I hope that you can choose the right box for you and for your family, and go with Bibbidi Bobbidi is my suggestion. I think it's hers too.
Yeah.
All right. So appreciate you being here. Hope you got some value out of this. We thank you for your support on Disney Connections, where we are going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.